Auto repair consumers aren't dumb, they're just jaded. They have been abused for years by auto repair shops who are not doing the right thing. They're not trying to take care of the consumer. They're giving them misdiags, charging them for the parts, coming back and telling them that it was something else, coming back telling them this had to be done first. And in some cases, we all know that has to happen, but that's not what's happening in a lot of these cases. They're getting gouged on super cheap parts and charged premium part prices for them. They're getting taken advantage of. Now, I know the majority of the people in my circle, the people who follow me, the people who are in the Changing the Industry podcast group, in ASOG, they're not like that. They're doing a really good job trying to take care of the consumer. But you have to remember, there are actual coaches out there who teach to operate businesses in a really sleazy, really predatory manner that does take advantage of the consumer. To them, it's all about making money. And so I understand why, as a technician, as a service advisor, as a shop owner, it could be super frustrating for a consumer to express a concern or question everything you say or question every price you give them. I also understand that the consumer has a right to be jaded because they've likely been abused by a ton of cruddy shops. Did you know that their technicians recorded the manager saying things like, can you go out and pull a wire out? Can you break something on the car? Because our numbers are so low that I'm not going to get a paycheck that I can live on this month. And if I don't do this, a bunch of us are going to get fired. So I need you to go break some cars. I mean, seriously, like, think about that for 5 seconds. One, that's asinine. Second of all, thank God the technicians went and recorded it, because it sounds like it's made a change in the business and they've had a bit of a change of heart, if you will. Maybe some people are leaving because it's been recognized this probably isn't a good thing. But my point is, that's the kind of predatory stuff that is in our industry. Now look, I don't believe in calling out other shops. I believe in professional courtesy, but I just want all of you to know, if you ever do that to one of my consumers, if you ever do that to a consumer and I hear about it, well, I'm going to blast you on here. I'm going to call you straight out. I can't sit here and talk about wanting to change the industry and make the industry better and stand by while shops and businesses are doing stuff like that. I think it's wrong. I think it is part of the reason that we are where we are. So I've had questions about, why are consumers so jaded? Well, they're jaded because they have a reason to be. They're jaded because of crap shops that don't know what they're doing or are actively trying to manipulate the consumer. So that's just my opinion. I would love to hear your stories down in the comments below. If you're a technician or a service advisor, maybe even a shop owner, have you ever worked somewhere or had an engagement with somebody where they did things like this, where they asked somebody to break a car, or it was clear that they had done something wrong, they misdiagnosed it, it was a part that wasn't under warranty that they claimed wasn't, or it wasn't their fault? You ever worked with somebody like that? Share the story down in the comments below. I'd love to hear it. See you guys.